welcome to my video. If this is your first time, hey, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you guys how I style my faux locks crochet 8 different ways, starting with look number 1, which is actually a ponytail. Your girl loves a good ponytail, and my faux locks crochet always a vibe with this style right here. So if you have locks that are curled to the end, you could definitely give it that fake natural hair bang, if that makes sense. And because these locks right here were 24 inches long, I didn't want to cut the ends because I was going to wear them for a couple more days. So what I did right here was I curved it to give it like a side bang. And then I took a t-shirt. You can grab anything. This one right here is like a extra access piece to one of my shirts. And yeah, I took a bobby pin I took a bobby pin, and I pinned the part that was, that needed assurance. And then I went ahead with my favorite edge control, edge fixer, bomb. Okay, bomb. And yeah, this is really good if you're trying to, give yourself another week. You got that braid hanging in the back. You know what I'm talking about, that little crochet braids. You could definitely hide it with this one right here. So next look is a plain and simple let down. No explanation. Look number 2, I didn't get a chance to record this. Found out I didn't press record. Sorry guys, but this is it. A bun and 2 in the front. Okay, so look number 4 is by far simple. Let it down. Okay, look number 5. Yes, this is my favorite. If you're trying to do those, the wet hairstyle, like the slick back look, well, not wet, but slick down, and you don't want the hair to continuously coming, falling in front of your eyes or whatever, definitely grab a bobby pin and pin your hair down. It's gonna give you that really nice slick back look. Hopefully that makes sense. So my next look is look number 6. I find this look to be by far the cutest look ever. What I did was I twisted my hair, well, not my hair, but my faux locks. Well, it is my hair. Yes, I twisted my faux locks because I bought this hair. It's on my head now, so it is my hair. And then on the bottom, I started to braid it. So it was like a nice little twist at the top and braid at the bottom. And then I took the hair, I, tied it up. You could definitely do a hair. You could definitely grab a headband, or not headband, but a hairband, if you like, whatever, bust your bubbles. And this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoy these type of styles. If you find them useful, subscribe, sis, and hit that notification bell. Yeah, just subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like me already. So my next look is look number 7. This look right here is just a little remix to look number 6. If you want to wear it as a bun, you definitely can. And this is how it look with the bun. You feel me? We look cute. Yes. And my last look is simple. Grab a t-shirt, grab a headband, and tie that baby up. Make sure your edges are done. Nice hairdo to vibe with all day, all week. Just change headband. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, intimate time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.